In today's digital age, designers are leveraging AI to take their creative work to the next level. Let's explore the top 5 AI design tools that are changing the game. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while. In today's video, we will be exploring the top 5 AI tools designers use in 2023 to make their work faster, easier, and look even better. Let's dive into it. First of all, what's an AI? An AI is a software application that uses artificial intelligence algorithm to perform specific tasks and solve problems. So what does this have to do with our basic design? Well, you are about to find out. Here are the top 5 AI tools available in 2023 that can elevate your design and take you to the next level. Number 1, we have the Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is integrated into Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, offering intelligent features like content-aware fill, automatic colorization, and smart object recognition. It streamlines your design flow and helps you work smarter, not harder. Next on the list is Canva Pro with Magic Resize. Canva's AI-powered tool makes resizing designs for various platforms a breeze. Already, Canva is very easy to use. I think it's one of the easiest design tools to use out there. But with the introduction of this Magic Resize, it has changed the game. It predicts how your design should adapt, saving you time and effort. Figma's variant feature takes the third spot. Figma uses AI to help designers create consistent design systems. With variants, you can easily manage and update design elements across your project. PenPot AI comes in at number 4. This open source design tool uses AI to assist in layout suggestion, generate color palettes, and even predict design trends. It's a powerful ally for design teams. Last but not least, let's talk about Runway ML. This tool empowers designers to experiment with AI-generated art from style transfer to object detection. Runway ML opens up a world of creative possibilities. These AI design tools are changing the way designers work, making tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you are a professional designer or just starting, incorporating AI into your workflow can take your creativity to the next level. So there you have it, our top 5 AI design tools to supercharge your creative journey. Try them out and unlock the potential of AI in design. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our design tips and technology insight. Share your thoughts in the comment down below. Follow us on all our social media for our latest updates. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.